Whoa. Did y'all see my forehead? Oh my fucking god, Papa, look. I love my body. I love my skin. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming at you with another video. It is really late right now, but I still wanted to film a video. I'll post a picture right here of the look from Amara's look that she wore on the Love and Hip Hop reunion. I really love the way that the look looked, so that was what I was inspired by. And I already did my eyes because today is going to be based on the face. So now we're going to go ahead and get into the video. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do so, and of course hit that notification button so you're notified every time I upload a video. Comment down below and like this video and let me know what you guys think, and let's go ahead and get into the video. So I finally got my little paws on the new Maybelline SuperStay Full Coverage Foundation. I'm really excited to try this because I could not find it anywhere. And I finally went to the store and I found it, so I decided to pick it up. And I also got the Maybelline Age Rewind Stick. I don't know if I got the right color in this one, but I know I did get the right color for the foundation. I'm just going to still try the concealer on camera so you guys can see what it looks like, especially on dark skin. I just want to give you guys some details about the foundation. It is about $11.99. I'll post the price right here if I'm not really correct. But I just want to give you guys some details about the foundation. I picked out the color Truffle. This was the deepest color that they had. And I'm really surprised at the shade range. I wish they would have had a little more variety in undertone. I do have the Dewy Smooth FITME foundation, and I use the color Mocha, and this one is really red. I feel like this one is going to be a little gray. I did do a little swatch on my hand just to see if the color matched me, and it looked a little grayish. I don't know if it was just the way I swatched it on my hand or what, but I'm really curious to see how it looks because I do have dry combination skin, and this is supposed to be a matte foundation, so I'm not going to lie to y'all, I'm kind of nervous because I don't want to look a mess on camera, but I am going to test it out just to see how it is. If it works, good. Maybelline is definitely one of my favorite lines when it comes to drugstores, so I'm really excited to try it out. And I've been waiting to try this out since I've started makeup. I've seen this in stores since I was in high school, and I'm really glad that they expanded the shade. I have the shade Golden. It does look a little light, but I'm just going to swatch it anyways to see how it looks, and hopefully it matches me. I do like the little wind up thing that it has, the clicking noise. I don't know why, it's kind of therapeutic. I like the noise. Sometimes I just click it just so I can hear the noise, and I like the undertone of this golden color. I don't know if you guys can see it. You probably can't see it on camera, but it's really, really golden, really, really yellow. I really like it. I just compared it to my LA Girl Pro Concealer one, the one that I use in Toffee. And I also compared it to Fawn as well, which is a lighter yellow kind of color. But I'm going to go ahead and get to the video and stop running my mouth. Okay, so starting off with primer. I'm going to go in with, of course, using Maybelline products. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. This is the Blur and Smooth Primer. I really like this one, of course, for blurring out my large pores in my T-zone area, especially under my eyes and my cheek area where I have larger pores. Okay, so I am going to give you guys the details on the foundation. It's supposed to be a full coverage foundation. It's supposed to last up to 24 hours. That claim I am going to hold. And I am gonna test out one day. That's not tonight though, because it is pretty late. But I am gonna do a wear test on this one day. It says that it has a seamless matte finish. It is breathable and comfortable, fade and transfer resistant, oil free, does not clog pores, dermatologist tested, of course, etc., etc. Let's go ahead and shake it up. First of all, I'm glad they finally got a pump and upgraded, because let me tell y'all, this gets annoying. Pouring and wasting and pouring too much product out, that gets very annoying. Like, it gets very, very annoying. So I'm really glad that they added a pump to this one. So that's a point. Kudos to them. So I'm going to go ahead and do about, ooh, it shoots out a lot. Okay, I did about 1.5 pumps. And hopefully that'll, oh, this looks like a good shade match. Wait a minute. This looks like a pretty good shade match. But I'm just going to go ahead as if I would do any other foundation. And I'm just going to apply it all over my skin. So you guys can reference to me. I am in the shade Mocha Fit Me one. In this one, I am in Truffle. And I really like, I'm going to just add a little bit more. I think 2 pumps is pretty good for me. To blend it out, I'm going to use a EcoTools buffering brush. And I'm just going to use that to blend it in so I get maximum coverage. Hopefully, it's not too, you know, too turned up for me. But we'll just go ahead and blend it. Ooh. Now, as you guys can see, I have a lot of scars on my face. I have a lot of imperfections. So, if this covers up all of that, this might be my new favorite foundation. Y'all know I love my FITME. I love my Dewy Smooth. But if this covers up everything that I needed to cover up, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna go the heck crazy. Wow. I really like the way that this is blended out, though. Yes. Whoa. Did y'all see my forehead? Oh my fucking god. Papa, look. Wow. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I love this foundation already. I'm gonna see how it dries down and all of that. And I'll do that, you know, I'll test it all out after I put on concealer and all of that. Now I'm going to go in with the Age Rewind Erase Concealer. And this is supposed to erase dark circles, treatment under eye. And this is in the color Golden. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm kind of nervous to use this. If I have to mix a little of my LA Girl Pro concealer, that's what I'll do just to tone down the brightness. This is so satisfying. That noise is just like, I like it. I feel like I'm joining a secret. Whoa, definitely not my color. I feel like I'm joining a secret society. Do y'all see how light this is? Okay, yeah, this is definitely too light. I'm going to mix a little of my LA Girl concealer in with it just to tone it down. But for the most part, this is going to be... I'm going to go in with my Black Opal True Color foundation stick. And this is in the color Ebony Brown. I'm going to use this to contour my face. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend this out with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. And it is a little damp. But hopefully this doesn't turn into a disaster. Wow, that's a lot of coverage. This is definitely like full on beat. When you want to be full on like beat. Like beat. This under eye is definitely bright. She's definitely sitting. And I'm just rolling my beauty blender because it is getting a little dry. The concealer is getting a little dry. And I want to still have that movement. That way I can blend it out where I need to. So far, I like the way it looks. It covers really well. It does look like medium to full coverage. Or medium buildable. I really like the way that it looks. Even though my color is a little off. But that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and blend out my contour. And see how this blends into the foundation. Is it going to pick it up? Is it going to move around? Anything like that. Okay, now to set my face, I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder. And I'm going to use this to set the under eye. So next, of course, to set the face with some more Maybelline, I'm going to go in with my FITME loose setting powder. And this is in the color dark. And use this to set the perimeter of my face. So this is what the face is looking like after I've just powdered down and put on, of course, a lot of powder on top of a matte foundation. And especially I have dry skin, but it doesn't look bad at all. I did see a little bit of breaking up around my mouth area. I do have smile lines that crease a little, but it's nothing too major. I think it's just me putting on the powder. But overall, the face does look good. I really like the way that it looked. But I did want to feature this baked highlighter, and this is in the color Soda Pop, and this is from Dirty Little Secret. I did get this in my Ipsy bag. I'm really excited to try it out. I did want the other one, but you know, they send you what they send you. And it kind of comes off. Ooh, I kind of like the way this looks. Hold on. This is a subtle highlight. I don't really see it being blinding. And that's fine too, because my eyes are really bold right now, so I don't really mind a subtle highlight. But this is a beautiful highlight, especially for dark skin. If you're about my complexion or darker, this will be really, really beautiful on you. If you're a more fair tone or of a lighter complexion, this probably won't show up much on you. Next, I'm going to go into my Beauty Bakery Coffee and Cocoa palette, of course, and go in with that bronze color. So my thoughts on the foundation, of course, it is a thumbs up for me. I never thought that in a million years that I would love a matte foundation, especially for dry skin. Usually when dry skin and matte foundations go hand in hand, it is usually a disaster. But it feels really comfortable on my skin. It looks amazing. I really love the way that it looks. And it doesn't look cakey. The buildup around the mouth, it actually, I don't know if it settled. It was settled. I guess it was just settling into my skin. It looks really good now. I like the way that it looks. It doesn't look bad at all. It settled in really nicely, especially in my smile lines area. That's usually where I have the most creasing. It looks really good. Really full coverage. I would definitely say this is 100% a full coverage foundation. What do I think about it? I give it a 2 thumbs up. I really like it. This is probably going to be one of my new favorite foundations, y'all. I'm not even going to lie. Next, I would say for the Age Rewind Eraser Concealer, I really, really like it. I think that the shade range could use a little work. I'm not going to lie to you guys. They did expand the shade range of an already existing concealer, but I still feel like it was some misses for me in the range. So overall, I would give the concealer a 4 out of 5. I think it is really good, but the range does need a little work. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you all really enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. And if you bought the concealer and the foundation, let me know exactly what you guys think down in the comment section below. And of course, thank you all so much for liking and supporting my videos. I love you guys so much. And that is it.
I love my body. I love my skin. I am a goddess. I am a queen. I love my body. I love my body. I love my skin. I am a goddess. I am a queen. I love my body. I love my skin.